So I got a 1975 Toyota Land Cruiser, and trying to figure out what the issue is with the seatbelt here. And looks like this little plate that moves up and down for it to ratchet is not popping up when you're trying to pull it out. So you have to pop that up and then pull it out. And usually once you get it started, it works. Hang on, can't do this with one hand. 1 second. There we go. So now it works. And now, see, it drops down, and that's what latches it. But for some reason, when you first start off, that thing, I think it has to do with this secondary little chingaderas over here that's supposed to allow it to be popped up when you want to pull it out. So that's not activating right, I don't think.